Hi, my name is Will Young, and I teach AP Chemistry. I apologize that I can't be there um, tonight. I am recovering from COVID, and hopefully will be back later in the week if my symptoms continue to improve. But I did want to at least leave this video so that you guys could put a name to a face or a face to a name, and if I haven't mentioned before. Um, so what is, first of all, I guess we'll start with a little bit about myself. I've been teaching at North this is my 24th year, teaching chemistry, AP chemistry, honors chemistry, forensics. Those are my main classes that I taught. And I've had some of your students before in honors chem. Some of your students took gen chem. That's perfectly fine too. Excited to get to know those guys. And yeah, I'm looking forward to a great year. We follow the AP chemistry curriculum pretty closely so they can be prepared for the AP test in May. The test date this year, I believe, is May 6th. But it's not a part of their grade. They don't have to take the AP exam, of course. There are different schools that offer different incentives for taking and passing the AP exam. We did have very good scores 2 years ago, the last time this class was offered at North. In AP Chem, so I was very proud of that, and hopefully we'll be able to get everybody passing and lots of 4s and 5s as well. So homework makes about 10% of the grade, not a big deal, just to make sure that they keep doing it. A lot of times it'll be video notes along with a couple, 3 or 4, example questions from the AP curriculum, and then we'll do a lot more example questions along with labs, of course, in class. Tests make up 50% of their grade. Again, those tests are written from, basically AP style questions, AP chemistry style questions, released items, things like that. So they'll get a very, very good dose of example questions in each unit. Labs do make up 25% of their grade. So we try to get to at least one major lab per unit. It is a little bit of a time crunch to try to get in everything that AP has in their curriculum and still also spend about a fourth of our time in the lab, which we don't always get to, but we do our best, and we've certainly done that already a little bit this year. And then 15% does come from the final exam, so they'll take a final that is separate from the AP exam, one in January and then one in May. So before the seniors leave. And then the other thing is just please encourage them to come see me at the first sign of difficulty. We'll get them all the help that we possibly can. They can come in and sign up for a mod of my lab. We can come in after school and get help. Anything that works for them, I'm fine with. And I'm just really looking forward to further getting to know your students and working with them this year. Hopefully, we can kind of team up and just really, really do well on the AP exam in May. And I'm looking forward to having a great year.